The continent of Africa is immensely rich in its diversity and is currently in the process of a complete transformation towards a really positive future. Its strong economic indicators and developing urbanization are signs of real and sustainable dynamics. Changing Africa will change the world. The population is going to double in 20 years to exceed 2 billion inhabitants. Africa is young. 40% of the population is under 15. The standard of living is on the increase. Lifestyle, food habits are changing, and the need for animal protein is growing. Africa will have to produce more animal protein and more milk, and produce more livestock. For decades, Mariel has been an actor in the field of animal health on the African continent. But today the step to be made is far greater. Our commitment can meet the expectations of your markets. For the poultry sector, with a fast-growing population of 3 billion chickens, Mariel is one of the 3 main actors today and intends to become the leader by 2021 with a 28% market share, thanks in particular to the technical expertise and support of its teams. For cattle farmers, thanks to our experience both in parasite control and the prevention of pathologies with a major economic impact, Mariel can provide a service for all farmers wherever they are in Africa. And in a growing economy, pets are becoming more and more part of the African social fabric. And this means that the veterinary medicine scene will change in Africa too. From large-scale vaccination against rabies involving the World Health Organization and the World Organization for Animal Health to the supply of cutting-edge medicines for pets, Mariel is very well placed to accompany these developments. Mariel is well aware of Africa's needs for innovation. NexGard became accessible in Africa only 1 year after its launch, and 6 months after its launch in Europe, Avenue Neo was already being sold on the African continent. To support this development, we have continued to expand. The number of teams dedicated to you has doubled in 3 years, and this is only the beginning. This long-term commitment can also be seen in our backing of veterinary schools. And we're not forgetting the need for both technical support and training and the development of vaccination technologies required to optimize effectiveness and return on investment. In figures, the African market for animal health will exceed €1 billion in 2025. Mariel's objective is clear: to be the key player for at least 20% of this market. In 2015, our turnover was €51 million. This is set to double by 2019. With the resources and technical means that we're putting into place for each and every one of you, with your dynamism, our ambition is to grow faster than the rest of the market and to remain or to become #1 everywhere in Africa.